Everyone, in this video I am going to explain you the syllabus of the MSc Computer Science first semester. In the first semester of the MSc Computer Science, the first paper is hardcore subject 1.1, that is digital logic, for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it will be having 4 credit. Similarly, SCT 1.2 object oriented programming using C++ for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it will be having 4 credit. And 1.3 programming in VB.NET for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal, and 4 credits. Similarly, softcore paper, a candidate can choose any one in softcore paper. So in softcore 1.1 operating system principles or Linux and shell programming. So among these two papers, one has to be selected for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it is also having 4 credits. Similarly, in a practical, we have hardcore practical digital logic lab, C++ lab, VB.NET lab for 50-50 marks, 40 externals and 10 internal marks, and credits are 2 credits for each lab. In softcore, based on the selected paper by the candidate in a softcore operating system lab or Linux lab will be conducted for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. So total credits are 24 credits for first semester. Total marks are 600 marks, and total external examination held for 480 marks and 120 marks given as internal. Hardcore subject 1.1 digital logic, which has 4 units. The first unit is all about digital computer and digital systems, and second unit is on simplification of Boolean functions and other functions of the digital logics, the third unit and fourth unit, and these are the some of the reference books which are for digital logics. Object oriented programming using C++. So first unit is all about the object oriented programming introduction. Second unit based on the classes and objects. Third unit on inheritance concept, and fourth unit on string handling functions. So these are the some of the reference books for the object oriented programming using C++. The third hardcore subject is programming in VB.NET. First unit on introduction to .NET framework. Second unit about the VB.NET language. The third unit on working with forms. Fourth unit on database programming with ADO.NET. So these are the reference books. Similarly, softcore paper, you may choose any one. Either you can go for operating system or Linux. Operating system principle is having 4 units. First is all about the introduction of the operating system, and second about the process and process states. Third about the definition of deadlocks and paging, and fourth is all about the concept of the file system. So Linux and shell programming, again it is having 4 units. Okay, so the Linux and utilities of file handlings and introduction of the Linux and shell programming. Second unit about files and directories. Third unit about the process, and fourth unit about the shared memory. And these are the reference books. In practicals also, the practical on digital lab, and these are the assessment to be carried out, and 1.2 practical C++ lab, and these are the assessment carried out, and 1.3 practical lab VB.NET, and these are the lab assessment carried out. In soft core also operating system and Linux labs, and these are the assessment carried out. So kindly like, share and subscribe the channel.